The Black Rage is a mental malady afflicting the Blood Angels and their successor chapters. During the conclusion of the civil war of the Horus Heresy, two of the Emperor's most cherished Primarchs would battle. His most favored son, Horus Lupercal, would clash against the most beloved champion of the Imperium, Sanguinius. Once the most affectionate of siblings, with bonds of untold loyalty, love, and admiration, the War Master and the Great Angel would be fated to face one another as bitter foes. The resultant duel would bear the War Master as the victor, creating a psychic imprint of the death of Sanguinius within every one of his genetic line. Manifesting within many of the Legion throughout the resultant millennia, each son of Sanguinius in thrall of the Black Rage shall see those before him as the War Master. Consumed with unparalleled rage at the slayer of their gene-father, the Astartes shall ignore all pain or notions of self-preservation in the attempt to achieve their vengeance. With the loss of their gene stores within both Holy Terror and Mars during the Horus Heresy, the gene flaw cannot be purged from their bloodline. With all gene seed used during the Era Indomitus derived from the genetic materials of the Great Angel's deceased body. The damned Astartes who fall to the Black Rage, with but a few exceptions, such as Chief Librarian Mephiston, shall never again be sane enough to fight alongside their battle brothers. Triggered by extreme battle trauma or stress factors, the Black Rage is a constant strain on not only those afflicted, but any within reaching distance of the Astartes. For both friend and foe shall embody the apparition of the War Master and be in danger of the Angel's wrath. With those unable to control their urges being locked away within the Tower of Amareo, also known as the Tower of the Lost, within the Blood Angel's homeworld of Baal, and in extreme cases, those who succumb to the rage completely shall be given the Emperor's mercy. Imbued with the Great Angel's fury, those who succumb to the Black Rage yet still retain enough control to serve his Imperium shall be assigned to the Death Company. The Death Company serve their Legion as their most brutal and relentless warriors, sent to carry out the most fatal and unwinnable of battles. They shall charge one last time into the fray and die in the name of their gene-father. Strengthened with superhuman vitality and power, these souls shall carve a bloody path through their enemies without hesitation or relent. Donning their black painted armor, bearing the red crosses of their company, the chapter's chaplain shall lead them into battle for their last chance at an honorable death. For those afflicted with the rage shall never again be the noble sons they once were.